My name is Jatin Nayak, and on behalf of Dr. Hina Chavda ma'am, I would like to give my presentation on the topic trust in relationship. Now, as a living being, I am always in some sort of a relationship whatsoever. I am biologically related to my family. If I even go beyond that scope, I am friends with my neighborhood. Obviously, I am going to find new friends in my college. After some years, I would be working for someone or giving job opportunities to others, who knows. But that would be also some sort of a relationship. The reason I'm establishing this right now because we live in a very civilized world where there is a well constructed system of demand and supply, which means that no matter I want or not, I'm always in a relationship, formal or informal. But the well-constructed system does not offer a healthy relationship. It just offer a relationship, healthy or not. That is truly us to decide. Now, there are a lot of things that helps building a healthy relationship. By healthy, I mean to have the essence of true friendship and love. Some of those things are love, mutual respect, honesty, and certainly these are very essential. But the most important one is trust. Why do I think so? This is what I'm going to explore today. The contents that I'm going to cover today are first of all, I would like to express what trust truly is, importance of trust in relationship, what happens when there is no trust in a relationship, and how to rebuild it. What is trust? Trust is a firm belief in reliability, truth, or strength of someone or something. To trust someone means to feel a sense of security and loyalty. It's also a vital and critical part of a happy and a healthy relationship. The key sentence in this paragraph that I wrote is obviously it is also a vital and critical part of a happy and a healthy relationship. Importance of trust in a relationship. First, it increases positivity. Trust is important in a relationship because it allows us to be forgiving and more open to our loved ones and creates a positive atmosphere which is vital for a healthy family dynamic. Reduces conflict. Trust helps us to reduce and resolve conflicts easier. When we trust our family and friends and our loved ones, we are more willing to overlook their problems or commit to find solutions to the issue, and they do the same with us. Increases closeness. Trust creates a strong bond and foundation to build on. It increases closeness, makes us feel more safe and secure. By establishing a strong bond, our relationship can be a source of healing and allow us to do the same with others. Lack of trust. If trust is the foundation of a relationship, lack of it can cause serious damage to our bonding. Lack of trust are caused due to the following reasons. Number one, dishonesty. Obviously, if there is no honesty in a relationship, trust is something that will, lack of trust will always be there. Lack of communication. If we do not properly communicate with our partners, there will, if we do not communicate with our partners properly, there will always and always will be lack of trust. Not learning from past mistakes and unapologetic behaviors. Impact due to lack of trust. Number one, lack of friendship. Due to the lack of trust, there is no intimacy in relationship. We will distance ourselves from everyone. Increases negativity. Lack of trust causes a negative attitude toward our family members, friends, and loved ones. This can stifle connection and closeness. Insecurity. Due to the insecurity about relationship, we constantly doubt our partners and people that tell us uh, which leads us to fear and anxiety. Depression. If there is a little trust in a relationship, danger of expressing higher level of depression. Loneliness. Lack of trust can make us to experience feeling of loneliness and isolation. How to rebuild trust in a relationship. Apologizing sincerely. Apologizing should be the first step for rebuilding trust in a relationship because without realizing what mistakes have been done, improving is impractical. Number second, improving on mistakes. The second step should be on improving on mistakes that have been committed on the past, and we should make sure that we do not redo them. Communication. If mistakes have been done, the best way to resolve them is to communicate and try to talk the problem and release the differences. Practicing forgiveness. Forgiveness is the most important part on rebuilding trust. Having a positive attitude toward our surrounding is very helpful. At, on the end, I would like to point that the whole point is that as I have mentioned before, we live in a very sophisticated and civilized world in which I'm always a part of a relationship. My attempt should be to make it worthwhile.